I can't do basic makeup right. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, today I have a fun video. I'm going to be recreating the Kbeauty makeup look on my face, my very Indian face. Yeah, I've never tried this makeup look ever, so I'm really curious how much different I look. So yeah, my makeup usually is like, it really depends on my mood, but mostly it's like a mix of baddie and soft girl. That's like my makeup aesthetic category, I think. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have clipped my bangs aside. If you all didn't know, I got bangs. I needed a bit of change, and cutting my hair was just enough in the safe zone. So yeah, that's what I did. And I put these cute two little pigtails braids. Oh, and I'm still feeling really cutesy. And my earrings are from the Little Things shop. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. These are mismatched ones. They're so cute. So yeah, let's start with the makeup. But first, we are doing something absolutely crazy, and this is really extra, but you know what, I'm gonna go all out. So I have pretty arched eyebrows, so I'm just gluing the tails down, which is so extra of me. So I'm gonna show you how I do my gluing. I'm gonna do one on camera and just the other off camera.
Child. Anyway, so
Foundation, I'm using my trusty Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in Desert. What did my voice just do? Anyways, in Desert Beige, and I'm dotting this all over my face. I don't want to use a full coverage foundation. I just don't like how that feels, and they don't look like cakey. They look pretty fresh, natural. Like that's like the aesthetic of this whole Korean beauty, I believe, like your skin but better kind of makeup. I look crazy with like the tails of my eyebrows all disappeared, but beauty is pain, I guess. Now we're gonna do concealer. Using a bit of concealer, not too much. I bought this new concealer. This is the MAC Spotlight Ready Concealer in the shade Nutcracker, which is 07. Very Christmas name. We love that. I'm so excited for Christmas, even though I have exams on the way. But anyways, we can try to focus. So I'm using a bit here, a bit here. Use it here, your nose, then chin. I'm using a bit. That's good. Why is my voice cracking? I'm not going through puberty all over again. I'm telling you, I'm not. Also, I have like a fun video. I have like so many fun ideas, but like because of exams and it's like Christmas prep and with handling Instagram as well as wanting some time to myself, I have not been able to do those videos and make time for them. So sorry, but when I do get time for it, I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm setting the concealer with some yellow powder. I love this concealer, that's so good. Now I'll do the brows because I'm so upset. This whole Escapade or whatever. I'm using the 3502 palette. I'm using the second last shade. I don't know where to go from here. I'll fix the eyebrows later, clean it up or whatever. It's like such a disgusting eyebrow. I forgot how to do makeup. I can do so many tough looks, but I can't draw a brow. Like, wow. The talent jumped out. I'll fix this at the end. But for now, we're just gonna go with these sardine eyebrows. So then I'm taking this shade on the outer part of my eye. Just making sure to blend it out so it's not too harsh. We're just creating shadows. Taking a flatter brush and the same shade and putting that below. My waterline. Taking the same shade and creating a line under my bags. Just a bit. I think I'm doing this wrong, but we're just gonna go with it because I said so. Then I'm taking a liquid liner and they have like a downward facing wing. Just a thin line across the eye. Made the liner a bit thick. I can't do basic makeup right. Just gonna fix this eye and be right back. Don't look cute, I look scary, so that's fine. And I'm just going to use a light eyeliner on my waterline. We're gonna ignore the brows. I don't know what went wrong. Anyways, we're going to do the nose. I'm taking the contour palette and just going straight to the brow. Then I'm taking a contour brush, just slightly add some cheekbones to my non-existing cheekbones. Then I'm doing blush, very blush forward, so I'm gonna go ham on that using my Cherry Pop blush by Makeup Revolution. Then I'm using highlighter, just a bit on my cheekbones, some on my nose. Just going to line my outer part of my eyes. I'm taking this soft matte lip cream by NYX in the shade Antwerp. Taking another one. This one's Nykaa Kashi. Taking my sponge. Then I'm taking this lipstick by Avon in the shade Wine. Just gonna set my face. It's disgusting. I'm gonna hide the brows with the bangs. That's genius. These bangs came in handy. This is the finished makeup look. I'm using my bangs to hide the sad excuse of eyebrows. I absolutely hate this makeup look on me. It's atrocious. Maybe because I did it wrong, but it's just I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel myself. And that's the point of these videos, but I don't like it. I would never do this again. Maybe just to try if I can do it better or do it the correct way, but I don't think I want to. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Go follow me on Instagram and like and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye.